My name is Krimali and I'm a nail technician. I'm doing nails in Hyderabad since 13 years and these are my new one. It's like a press on nails. Nowadays people they don't want to spend lots of money, even they don't have a time, so they don't want to spend lots of money behind nails because they can do nails, but while removing they don't want to go to salon because even this one is also chargeable when you get it removed outside. So nowadays this one is like very safe and easy to use. Just you need to wear it and you can go to office, you can go to work, you can go to any other occasion and all, and after coming back you can remove it and reuse it. It's a reusable nails, you can use 4 to 5 times. I am doing nails since 13 years. I know when I started this, I learned it from Switzerland and I came back to Hyderabad and I checked in Hyderabad, nobody were doing nails. So I was the first one who opened the nail salon, and then slowly and gradually I could see people were in Hyderabad but not having that much interest in nails and all. And like my initial starting client were not Telugu, let me say frankly, they were Punjabis, they were Sindhis, but not Telugu. So it took lots of time to come into this, and I when during COVID time when my studio was closed, I shifted at home and I thought what next I can do because nobody could go out and nobody can come back like to your salon and all. They can't do nails and all. Then this thing came to my mind and I tried at home. I tried to sell in the market. Again, the market was also dumb that time. But nowadays, after this, after COVID and all, this is the booming thing and this is very safe as well. So nowadays I'm doing this and I feel people should also try my nails. My brand name is nailit_HYD. You can check on Instagram as well. You can try my different designs and all. Definitely you will love it. It's my super hard work behind it. It took me lots of time to paint and all. These are not the machine made nails. These all are handmade, done by my heart. Like I have done lots of practice behind all that things, and that's why I'm delivering to you. Different person has a different nail size and shapes, so I have created different sizes in that. Like I have a M size, I have S size, I have XS size. For whom like who has a extra small size and short nails, they can also use my nails. So these are not long lasting nails. First of all, these are the temporary nails. Long lasting means once you go to the salon and get it done, but these are temporary nails. Just you need to use it for the occasion. After coming back, just remove it. How to remove it? It's very easy as well. Like soak it in a hot water for 15-20 minutes. Just pour 1 spoon of shampoo and 1 spoon of oil in that. Any kind of oil will be fine. Just pour little bit, soak it in a hot water and just try to remove it like slowly and gradually, and remove it and keep it back. If you have a glue on your nails, you can also remove it with the my filer and just little bit oil massage on your nails and your nails are done. So better you try this nails. Try my new nails and new designs and all. There are lots of designs in that. Definitely you should try it. So many people came to me and they told me this will damage the nails and all. If we will use this kind of nails, see our nails got damaged and all. First of all, let me tell you frankly, this nail will not damage your nails. Definitely long lasting nails also will not damage your nails. Once you are getting something in salon, you need to get it removed professionally only. So these nails are also very easy to use, easy to remove, and these are not long lasting. These are called temporary nails. Better you use it, try it, apply it by your own. If you are satisfied, come to me, because I got so many requests, so many calls and all for this nails. I made more than 1,000 designs for my customers. and they already using it. They are very happy with my service. Since past 13 years I am doing this nails, so I know about each and every client. I have done more than 10,000 clients till now, more than 10,000. I don't remember even how much I have done till now, but more than 10,000 I can tell clearly. So I have seen each and every nails are different, their nail sizes are different, their nail beds are different. Few client came to me with the complaint, oh, when I got it done in Europe and UK, my nails got damaged and all. Nails never get damaged like that. You need to get it done properly with the, see, nails removal is a science. It's not, everybody cannot remove it. Each and every salon will not remove it. If you go to the proper professionals, definitely they will remove it with care. You can't go like that. Since 13 years I am doing this, so I know, because I have done with on so many clients. So I can tell you clearly, better you try my nails, give me a feedback and tell me how you like it. I am available on Instagram. My Insta page name is nailit_HYD. Just remember, nailit_HYD. Once you try my nails, tell me how it is, and if you have any query about nails and all, you can approach me directly, nailit_HYD. My phone number is 78930644743. I am repeating, 78930644743. Please visit. Thank you.